Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. Kung makaka-relate ka, makaka-resonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Hindi ito personal reading. So, pwedeng magkapalit-palit ng roles. Pwedeng ang nire-reading ko yung person mo at hindi ikaw. Okay? Kahit sinasabi kong Libra, ito ang side mo. Pwedeng ikaw to nasa kabila. Okay? May mga nagko-comment po kasi baliktad ang roles. Okay, baliktad. Kumbaga, yung iba sasabihin siya yung ganto, ganyan. And then, maaaring baliktad ang reading. Okay? Para sa'yo. Dahil hindi naman to personal reading. This is general reading. Hopefully, mag-comment kayo sa baba. Kahit heart-heart lang, smileys ko. Comment down below. Yan. Nag-spread ako ng positivity. So, ayoko ng pangat na comment, no? Hopefully, wag kayo mag-comment ng hindi magaganda. Okay, let's start the reading. For Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Jupiter, Libra. Okay. Hindi ko ito kukunin, masyadong marami. But I just saw the Death card. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. Two of Wands and Two of Swords. This is your main energy sa person mo. The Emperor. King of Swords. And then the Queen of Cups. Mutual energy. Ano yung mutual energy dito? Passion. There's this passion over here. Why is the energy is like ganito ha? Magsimula tayo sa'yo. Two of Swords, I feel like there's a decision na kailangan gawin mo or ng person na ito to have a new beginning, to have, maybe kailangan i-consider ang pagbabago. Ayan. And I feel like for now, you are letting go of negativity. Pag alam mo yung isang bagay, isang tao, isang sitwasyon ay negative, you are, walking away from it. May times sa'yo na may mga tao ka, not necessarily sa love, but maybe people in the past, medyo kinoconsider mo sila ngayon or iniisip mo na maybe itong taong ito kailangan ko ulit siya sa buhay ko, whether ito ay love or friends, na parang iniisip mo baka mabigyan ako nitong taong ito ng stability. There are honestly many people in your life na kinoconsider mo or iniisip mo ngayon na pwedeng nine-neglect mo sila in the past. Na maybe it has something to do with your career or maybe even children or experiences in the past na nag-focus ka sa mga bago, but then you are trying to think about these past people in your life, friends, family, career, na iniisip mo in the past, and you feel like you want to, magkaroon ng pagsasama or pagbabalik dito sa mga taong to. Medyo kinoconsider mo ito ngayon. Hindi ko alam, nakaalasa ako ng toge. This could be a reading. Toge, bean sprout yan, Yeah, toge. You could be eating toge or maybe toge is your favorite food or what. But anyway, the Two of Wands, I feel like you do have a plan here. Meron kang plano. Maybe may mga kinalaman nga sa mga taong tinalikuran mo or tinalikuran ka. Because maybe that time, it's very challenging or it's very difficult. Yung iba nga, it's a person, or yung iba, that's maybe a career, no? And you feel like nakikita mo yung importance nitong something na tinalikuran mo in the past, no? And you want these people to return in your life, or you want to, some kind of partnership, or bumuo ng partnership, or bumalik sila, or maybe yung attention mo is nasa kanila because you see them as a very creative person or people, or if it's a career, na-realize mo na, oh, parang itong career na to nagbibigay ng um, change para sa akin. So maybe I need to consider this people or situation or career in the past. So may pagpaplano dito sa bagay na ito sa'yo. Some kind of release ang ginagawa mo with regards to your person, and um, there's a lot of passion here na although nire-release or may iwas or malis kayo sa isa't isa, there's obsession between the two of you. The two of you are obsessing about each other. Itong person na to with the Emperor and the King of Swords, masyado siyang cold, masyado siyang nagkakaroon ng doubt. This person is prioritizing other stuff. Marami siyang pinaprioritize and masyado siyang nagiging misteryoso or misteryosa sa'yo, regardless of the gender. Okay? Dahil yun nga, masyado siyang maraming doubt. And I feel like your person is masyado siyang committed sa work or sa service na ginagawa or binibigay niya sa iba. Basta the energy is that feeling mo wala siyang pakialam sa'yo, and this person is not, wala siyang pagpansin or ayaw ka niyang pansinin or hindi ka talaga niya napapansin. That's what you're feeling about this person. Nakakamoy ako ng sardinas, by the way. This could be a reading. Anyway, let's move on to your emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Knight of Pentacles is here. Ace of Swords. Okay. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Queen of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Could be dealing with someone na medyo mataas or maybe nasa siya, mataas na position, like maybe a manager, CEO, or maybe he is or she is owning her or his or her own business, or maybe he is a professional, someone na pero regardless, no, kahit anong career, but andun na talaga yung hindi siya sanay na magpakumbaba sa tao, like pati sa connection niya, like kahit mali niya, like this person is not going to show you na mali ko to, ganito, ganyan. Hindi siya para mag-sorry or what. Anyway, connection between the two of you, emotions, reconciliation. Why do I feel like pareho ninyong gusto ng reconciliation? If this is a person in the past, definitely person in the past, there's a powerful attraction sa inyong dalawa. You are attracted towards this person. Attracted din naman siya sa'yo. Pero masyadong mahirap para sa kanya na i-accept yung mga nangyari or pangyayari, traumas in the past. So maybe in the past, there's some kind of avoidance or pag-iwas na ginagawa itong person na to because tinatry niyang maulit yung mga bagay na ayaw na niyang maulit. Maybe it has something to do with the past. And emotions mo towards this person, sa ngayon, you're fixing yourself. You're allowing other people to fix you. No? Tinatry mo ayusin ang sarili mo. If there's other people who are helping you, maybe with regards to your work, with regards to your pag-aayos sa iyong sarili, maybe you have a partner or people who are supporting you towards your journey sa pagbabago sa iyong sarili. Maybe yung iba pwedeng umaattend ng Zumba, gym, or maybe nag-focus na lang sa pag-develop ng kanilang career or develop ng kanilang skills, ng kanilang talent. So inaalaw mo yun, hinahayaan mo yun because you know that this is for the better, this is for yourself, this is for you, this is for your advancement, no? You're ascending, and nakikita natin na hinahayaan mo lang to. Yan, na itong mga tao na kusang tulungan ka na magkaroon ng strength, no? And your if there's a communication, maybe it's less, hindi ganun kalakas or hindi ganun ang pakikipag-connect or communicate ninyo sa isa't isa. The Nine of Pentacles, you want to talk to this person but feeling mo hindi ka naman niya maintindihan. And so, why waste time? Diba? Maybe you want something sa kanya but you feel like this person is not going to give you that emotional security or clarity. Diba? Hindi niya mabibigay sa'yo yun. So, this is you learning how to accept etong nangyayari sa inyo and just stay calm, kalmado lang. With regards to your person, Queen of Pentacles is here. This person wants to play. I feel like sa sitwasyon niya ngayon, gusto niyang maglaro ng something, like sa mga tao sa paligid niya, tinatry niya maging simple lang at maging masaya dito sa mga taong ito and be more creative. You know, yung person na to is para siyang passenger ng buhay niya. Passenger is basta na lang nakaupo. Diba? It's like you're riding a car. Pero itong taong to, nakaupo lang siya sa backseat. Not even in the, passenger seat. Alam mo yun? Kasi diba yung kotse, merong driver, merong nakaupo dun sa passenger seat, tapos may backseat. And then yung person na ito is nandun pa siya sa backseat. Kahit gustuhin niya, yung passenger side kasi, I see this as a person na tinuturo doon sa driver kung anong dapat gawain. Kumbaga, it's like a co-pilot, diba? And then the driver is like the one na nagko-control. And I don't see that person na nandun sa dalawang yun. So, your person is currently on the back seat. Okay? And especially, nang nagpakita dito is King of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. They are like important people. No? Kumbaga sa kotse, sila yung boss. Hindi mo sila maaasahan sa direction. They just tell you where they want to go. Pero yung regarding sa direction, hindi sila nakikialam doon or whatsoever. Ganun. They just want to feel comfortable. Diba? Gusto lang nilang maging comfortable, and honestly, what I see is that, di ba yung usually na nasa backseat ng car, kasi importante tao sila. So, pag nabangga yung car, medyo sila yung, nasa safe side. No? Di ba? And, kaya dun sila usually sa likod, yung mga boss. No, ngayon, sa situation ng person na ito, sa buhay niya, as much as possible, ayaw niyang may gagawin. You know, you might feel like this person is neglecting you. You might feel like itong person na to is hindi interesado sa'yo. This person wants reconciliation, pero hinahayaan niya na mangyari yung dapat mangyari. Like, continuous lang siya sa pagmamanifest but not making any movement towards this. If you will return sa kanyang buhay, or if there are chance na ikaw ay dadating or babalik sa buhay niya or ibabalik sa kanya, mangyayari yun kahit hindi siya gumawa ng actions, so on and so forth. And then this person, hindi siya yung nasa driver seat kasi like what I've told you, maybe you're dealing with a very religious person. So, si Lord na bahala. Si Lord na bahala mag-drive ng buhay ko kung saan niya ako dadalhin. And then, the passenger seat is like, hindi siya para utusan or sabihan na I want this, I want that. Kung ano na lang ibigay sa akin. Ganun yung taong to. So, there's love here. But I feel like this person, hindi rin siya magaling makipag-communicate. Maybe through social media, hindi siya ganun. Hindi siya para maging honest with regard sa kanyang emotions or goals sa social media. Like this person is maybe gusto niya ng relationship connection with you, but not through social media. This is not what I want. Parang ganun. Now, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? I can see poster. Like maybe you're doing or making poster, or you want to create a poster, something na digital arts kind of thing. Like maybe you need to focus on this. You need to finish some kind of project na may kinalaman sa digital arts. This could be a reading. Knight of Swords is here. Five of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. Nine of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. And then one more card. You do have here the pay attention to the red flags. This could be the one. Honestly, for what I can see here, I see you the one na nagre-reach out dito sa person na to. Maybe there are signs telling you na mag-reach out ka na sa kanya, ganito ganyan, because maybe there's problems regarding sa money, or maybe there's partnership, or Five of Pentacles, maybe you see this person as may bibigay niya yung mga gusto mo or kailangan mo. I see you do have doubt, but you are more committed. You are more, mahilig ka sa challenges eh. So, you are the one na nakita natin nag-reach out sa person nito in the future. But, honestly, nakikita din natin yung hindi niya pagpansin ulit sa'yo during that time. Because, hindi ko nakikita magagawa niyang umalis sa kanyang situation, or I feel like this person is scared of what you want, what you need, what is about to happen. Kapag nag-open up siya sa'yo, pag nakipag-usap siya sa'yo, pag nakipag-connect siya sa'yo, natatakot siya sa pwedeng mangyari. So, what is the advice here? I can see communication, but you are the one making the actions para gawin itong communication na to. Ten of Cups is here, and the Temperance. I see this as kailangan mong maghintay. Like you don't need to rush things. If this person is not yet ready, kahit sakalin mo yan, kahit hilahin mo yan sa tainga papunta sa'yo, hindi yan sasama. Pag hindi mo siya pwedeng pilitin. If siya ay nagne-neglect or umiiwas or lumalayo or hindi namamansin, then maybe in the near future, high chance that ganun pa rin ang gagawin niya. Hindi pa rin siya magkakaroon ng pagpansin. Okay? This person, alam niya na gusto mo siya, and this person, as long na alam niyang gusto mo siya, this person is not making any movement because I don't know, hindi niya alam. Hindi niya alam kung anong mangyayari after that. Like for example, ibalik natin dun sa example ko dun sa sasakyan, like this person is the boss, and the more na hinahabol mo siya, and the more nagagawa ka ng action sa kanya, this person will try to, run, umiwas, change direction. Okay? Kasi alam niya nandyan ka lang eh. But if you, stop. Ten of Cups is here. Stop everything. Stop loving this person. Stop yourself from wanting this person. Then, the Ten of Wands, yeah. Actually, this is the advice. Stop whatever you're doing or yung iniisip mo palang nagagawin towards this person, stop it. Stop it. Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Focus on new beginnings. Focus on doing or making changes for yourself. At yung mga dapat mong ayusin, tapusin, yun ang dapat mong pagfokusan. Okay? And, yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye.